Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to stream locally using Moxygen and the C++ clients. First of all, you just need to start a server, Moxygen. I'm going to start it here. Okay, server started. Then you need to start a streamer. In this case, it's going to be FFmpeg against to a FIFO pipe. So this is a very short script that does that. Okay, now I'm going to start the streamer client that it basically connects to that FIFO and sends the data, opens a MOQ stream to the Moxygen and sends the data there. Okay, starting there. Okay, we can see here it's started reading video and audio. And now finally I'm going to open a receiver client that opens an MOQ stream towards the Moxygen and sends the output, the video and audio output, to this pipe. And in this window, first of all, I'm going to open ffplay, consuming the FIFO out pipe. Okay, it's waiting for data, and now let's open the receiver client. Okay, everything is flowing. And as you can see, we ffplay started receiving data, and here started showing video and audio.